In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add tables in WooCommerce product description WordPress plugin. So in order to do that, first head over to woocommerce.com, click on this start here right here, or click on this get started in order to create an account. If you already have an account, head over and click on this login. Now you can also head over to wordpress.com and click on this get started right here or right here in order to create an account. You can also click on this login right there. Now, since I already have an account on both of them, let me head over and then log in. Here is my actual dashboard. We just need to head over right here into our actual product that we wish to edit. So head over to the products option. Then in here, click on all products. And then after that, let's open right here this product and click onto this edit option that we can see right here under this. Once you have clicked on that, next thing you need to do is under the product description, which is this one, you can just head over and add in here some forms as well as some tables that we can actually utilize. You can see right here we can have contact form, toggle, toolbars, paragraphs, and the likes. In here, just head over and add in here a form. And into this form, just select in here a type to search and insert that right here. Or you can also add in here some toggle toolbars as well as some kinds of suggestions or codes that will present as a table into this case. You can also use some attributes in order to show in here some table, or you can also import right here some images or a table imported as images and add it as a media directly under the product description. So that's how you add tables in WooCommerce product description WordPress. Hope we helped.